Want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, but don't want to show your face, buy expensive gear, or waste time guessing what works? These faceless YouTube niches are perfect for beginners, and they can actually make money. In this video, I'll share the best faceless YouTube niches in 2025, how to start them without a camera, and how you can grow fast even as a complete beginner. First, AI and tech tools. With new AI apps launching every week, people are searching for tutorials and reviews. You can simply record your screen while testing free AI tools, add a voiceover, and upload. Second, motivational and quotes videos. These are timeless. You can use stock footage, background music, and simple text overlays. People watch them daily for inspiration. Third, tutorials and how-to guides. This niche will never die. From how to use free editing apps to beginner YouTube hacks. You can explain things step by step using just screen recordings. Fourth, list and compilation videos. Think top 10 free apps, 5 side hustles for beginners, or best movies to watch in 2025. These attract a wide audience and are easy to produce.
And fifth, finance and side hustles. People are always looking for ways to make extra income online. Sharing tips, apps, and strategies in this niche can grow fast and monetize quickly. These are just a few faceless niches you can start in 2025 without showing your face or buying expensive equipment. To make it even easier, I've put together a free guide with 3 powerful AI tools that will help you write scripts, record voiceovers, and edit videos, all without spending a dime. You can download it here. Start today, no excuses. And don't forget to subscribe to Hidden Hustle for more faceless YouTube tips.